iced out cherry watch. Oh my mama, y'all know nothing about it. Ooh-wee. Show y'all how to get like me. Hey. Ooh, I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. Hey, what's up with Pop, y'all? It's Such Accessory, and this is where we combine digital products, digital art, and digital customization all into one to create and wear accessories. What time is it? Time to get this watch. The thing busting. Today we are going to be updating my Garmin watch. I did purchase this on Black Friday, I would say like 3 years ago. To personalize my watch, I already have this old photo of me when I went to Tennessee. Up in Nashville. If y'all visit, what is that? Where were we when we took this picture? It's like a telephone booth in Nashville, somewhere around some shopping places. I don't know. Somebody might recognize that, but yeah, that's where I took that picture in 2021. Okay. So first things first, it's gonna ask you once you sign in. It's gonna ask you like what is your watch. So it has all these different lists right here of the watches that they have, and they have them categorized by the model of the watch. So we are doing the SQ2 because the SQ2 does not have music, and that's how I differentiate the two. So it's trying to find the watch clocks history. Did it find it? We found SQ, but it's not in Bluetooth pairing mode, just like how you Bluetooth pair anything else, right? Okay, I just pressed show me how to pair. So it shows you right here how to pair it. If you don't know how to pair it, it'll just like walk you through it. Okay, y'all, I found how to get to it. Your menu button and your back button. So it's only two buttons. It's this one and then it's this one. Through it, you press phone. And then at the very bottom, it says pair phone. And now it should be pairing. And right here, I'm like, what's the pin? I don't know. So this is the pin, and then you put it into there. We're just waiting for this to load to go fully over in white. Okay. So if y'all don't know, I have like this obsession with like gold, cream, beige, orange, peachy. When I say orange, I mean like light orange, light peach. Like y'all will know. Y'all will start noticing in my brain. This is damn near when I wake up. 6:45 and I go to bed at 9 o'clock. This is crazy. Which one were you wear? I'm wearing on my left, like my least dominant hand. Okay, that's up to you, but I'm not doing it. Okay, so we set some goals, steps, and 10 minutes. You can edit your goals at any time. What's the goals? So you can do your steps per day. You can do your fluid intake because I really need to work on that. When it says 190, so yeah, those are good goals. Long as I stay moving, because I take levothyroxine. I really want to get off levothyroxine because I'm so over it. To access notifications, you can receive phone notifications. Allow notification access. That's fine. You can get text messages here on your watch too. So I basically set up the watch to work how it's supposed to function. Okay. Things I allowed it to do, and then things I did not allow it to do. So you can toggle with that. Make your device look like that with that blue ring around it. Apparently we need a different app. Oh my gosh. Welcome. Continue. Allow. Okay, face it. There we are. Finally got you right where I want you. Okay, so ow. That wasn't too fun. Okay, anyway. I swear to God. This is the watch faces, and you press on face it. I just knew that was it. So you can have like a plain white, or you can go ahead and press the plus and like obsessed with cherries. So I'm gonna have this nice bright cherry. I like this one. It's very like plain. So this one has the battery, it has the date, and then it also has the time. Or you can just choose the one with the time. I like this because it just tells you more details. What's this one? Oh, and this one tells you the steps that you did. Oh, that's so cool because that way you don't gotta go through the whole phone to figure out which the steps were. Okay, let me see this one though. Looks like you changed the color of it. Let me see. Pink. Oh, purple. Pink. Ooh. Red. What's this? Oh, you can change like the font of how it looks. Ooh, I did not know that. Ooh, I like this one. Hey, do you see that? So I am basically satisfied with this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press the done button. And then we'll call it cherry face. Press save. Boom. Okay, so we're going to press install. Your watch face is ready. It may take a while to sync. Press OK. Okay, so this should be on my watch. It said it might take a while to sync. Is it 12 o'clock? It's so off. That's not what time it is. Okay. It's 2:05, I think. Off. Not during activity. During activity. I guess. Like the time, the date is the right date. The date, this is the correct. It is 2024. And it is the current month is 6:05. May is 5. Okay. Monday. Okay, cool. So we got that done. The time, the day, the discipline, the shortcuts, and the shortcuts. So the shortcut we have timer. I don't know what that is. Phone, you know, turn, timer. What time is it? Time to get this watch. That thing busting. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your girl, Tree Accessory. Ooh,